Can I start speaking?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm with a group of young motivated people from Tulad Institute, Dehradun. These boys are engaged in some very inspiring work. They are working with people living in this colony. Most of these people who are living over here are children of laborers. They are working in a building over there. Can you just cover it up? I think these people are working there, right? Okay. Amit, why don't you come?
Yes.
Amit, tell me something about your work.
Sir, The Will.
Okay.
We are working with an organization named as The Will. Our first target is to provide an education to the children who are living in the labor, the children of the labor.
Okay.
As we know that everything is like base of the anything is education. Once we'll give an education to the children, they can go with their good futures. And yeah, we are working for their activities. Like we are providing them what they like. Like the three main activities we are working with is dance, singing, and computer classes. Because most of them are like they are lots interested in the singing and competition.
What is the one most important thing that you want to achieve from this work?
So we are not here for any of the achievements. We are just here to give them like a good life.
Students are coming up in this area, and people who are making these apartments, that means those people who are laborers who are working here, are living in these conditions. They don't have electricity in their houses. They don't have water facility in their houses. That means they don't have access to proper sanitation. They don't have access to electricity. They don't have access to water. Okay, huh?
Children are waiting.
These are their homes.
No.
आप लोग कहाँ रहते हैं?
यहीं रहते हैं।
कहाँ पे? इन घरों में रहते हैं आप?
हाँ.
ये लोग.
Take a look from us.
These people live here. Cover it. Just a minute. So these people are living in these conditions, working hard day and night for those buildings and living over here. मारो सर अच्छे लगते हैं आपको? कितने अच्छे लगते हैं इतने? नहीं पहले बताओ कितने अच्छे लगते हैं? कितने? सर पिटाई करते हैं? ऐसा नहीं करते?
He's a Papa sir. He's a Papa sir. Well known as Papa sir.
पापा सर?
Yeah.
The most of these say
Doing so.
good evening. What's your name, sir?
सर निशांत शर्मा।
Nishant. What a pleasure to meet you. कब से काम कर रहे हो आप?
Sir, I am working from last 2 months.
Last 2 months. So what motivates you to be here? Teach them.
Just I am motivating them. These guys were unknown.
Why are you motivating them?
Sir, because I think the education is the root of development of India.
Okay.
And if India should be developed.
But at your age, you should be thinking about your development. Why are you thinking about their development?
Because sir, they are also the part of India.
So,
And I think.
don't you think about yourself?
I think about yourself, but a person should be think about not only of themselves. They have to think about the others also, because you are a citizen of India, and it is your right that you have to motivate or you have to educate all over India. If you want that your India will become brighten India and educated India, then you have to motivate and you have to educate all of your India.
Okay. And that's wonderful. So since when are you thinking like this?
Sir, I am thinking like this. When I was in 9th class, I think that if I have education, then why the people are illiterate? They don't know how to write their names, how to write their address, and I think that is the main cause in the.
What is the main thing
development of
that you want to
India.
give to them?
Sir, I want to give to them that basic education. They have to identify their rights. They have to know their rights. What are their rights?
So Amit, what is happening to Muskan? Tell me something about her.
Sir, she's a small girl.
How old is she?
She's around 4 to 5 years old girl.
Acha.
She used to come for the tuitions.
Uh-huh.
Every day she used to come and cry. So yesterday I asked her, okay, what's the problem? So she was still crying. She don't used to say anything. Then I asked others. Then I met some of the villages. They used to say that her father used to hit her every day.
Okay.
After drinking.
Okay.
And yesterday he tied that girl, that small girl, with a tree, with a rope. And yeah, there are some marks. And like, again she's crying and she's like completely out of his hands.
Marks where? Like on her
Like
body?
in hands. Like the rope which is tied on hand. Yesterday I
marks are
saw
there
that
on her hand.
red marks on her hand. So that's the problem, sir. She daily used to come and daily used to cry for the same thing. Because everyone used to say Delhi, it's a habit of his father. Daily he used to come drinking and hits his daughter.
छुट्टी चाहिए?
नहीं
क्यों नहीं चाहिए आपको छुट्टी?
हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
आपको पढ़ना है। पढ़ाई से लोग छुट्टी करना चाहते हैं, आप पढ़ना चाहते हो, ऐसा क्यों? क्यों है ऐसा?
बड़ी हो गई, अच्छा नहीं बनता। बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
आपको अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पढ़ना? क्यों? क्योंकि भैया लोग आपसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं इसलिए?
हमें अच्छा लगता है पढ़ना। संडे को भी आना चाहते हैं।
आप संडे को भी आना चाहते हो? हाँ।
Wow. Clap for him. And us.
Do you have some prizes for him?
Well done, us.
कैसा लग रहा है?
Yes, sir.
I'll send something for them.
Yes, sir. Sure. We'll come.
Thank you, sir.
Clap, clap, ताली.
हाथी में लोग बड़ा सॉलिड हैंडशेक है आपका। इतना खड़ा हाथ कैसे मिला?